Dark is like a sophisticated guilty pleasure with notes of hazelnut, vanilla, cinnamon, and dark chocolate. All right.
This could be a lot of fun.
Does it smell like Nutella? Let's see. The hazelnut, the vanilla, and all
And the chocolate.
that. Yeah, let's see.
Okay, this really does smell like, that's a sexy chocolate.
Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Really like this. Wow. I'm curious to see how this dries down.
Yeah.
This is nice. It's very. I've never smelled anything like this either. You know.
No. Because there's other
Very
chocolate
unique.
fragrances, but that one smells like,
It smells like dark, really like dark chocolatey. Yeah. I like it. Nice. Smells like a nice like brown.
this one's nice, yeah.
Yeah.
For those of you that like gourmand scents, that's it.
Yeah. Very unique.
Very nice gourmandy. Next we have Dark, the chocolate inspired one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like, I like it, but I like it if, like, you go to a store and there's this smell. None of
Yeah.
that.
So you enjoy the scent, you just wouldn't want to smell it on a guy.
Yeah, like, it's nice, but, like, I prefer the guy to wear another thing.
Yeah.
Like in a room more.
Yeah.
Like a
No.
candle or something.
Yes.
It'd be good as a candle.
Like, you
yeah.
go, you're looking, you smell that, it's nice.
Yeah. I picture it as like a cold weather fragrance, like you're in the snow. Would it fit
Oh,
better that
yes.
way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you
So-
go, like, in a holiday in snow.
Yeah, like nice and cuddly.
Yeah, I like that.
So now it is Haze versus
Dark. This is the chocolate.
I like it more now, this one.
Dark. So the chocolate.
yeah.
Yeah, now, like,
Now that
before I
it's
didn't like it
settled.
that much, but now I like it
Yeah.
The
more.
dried out. Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, over Haze?
Yes.
Cool. And then this one is Malt versus Chocolate Dark. Beer versus or
What's your favorite?
It's like seaweed and whiskey, but it kind of smells like beer.
I don't know. Like, I think this one.
The beer?
the malt one.
Oh, malt. Okay.
Wait. But this one I would like it more in a guy.
Okay.
On a person,
So
yeah.
you'd rather smell the chocolate on the guy.
Yes.
Cool.
Cool.
I like it more.
Was that all of
I think
them?
that's my favorite too. Yeah, that was it.
So your favorite one is chocolate.